Is there really a secret cure for cancer being kept from us? In this video, we'll uncover the facts, break down the myths, and reveal what science has to say about one of the most persistent conspiracy theories. Let's set the record straight and explore the truth together. The power of misinformation. Why lies spread faster than truth? Many years ago, someone said, "A lie can go around the world while the truth is still tying its shoes." This is an example of how quickly fake information spreads on the internet compared to the truth, which tends to be less interesting and move around more slowly. One reason for this might be that lies are more interesting or shocking than the truth, which is often hard to understand and not very interesting. Like spreading the false idea that cell phones can cause cancer is a lot easier than explaining the many scientifically subtle and complicated factors that raise the risk of cancer. People naturally want to be interested in things that interest them, and the internet makes this trend stronger by making it easy to quickly share interesting content with a wide audience. The harmful cancer cure myth. Is there really a secret cure? One of the worst and most common lies about diseases like cancer is that there is already a fix and drug companies are just trying to keep it a secret. This theory says that big drug companies may have found a way to fix all types of cancer, but are keeping it a secret so they can make more money from long treatment plans. People already fear and distrust big businesses and the healthcare system, and this assumption makes those fears even stronger. On the other hand, this point of view is not only wrong, it might even be harmful. There are people who choose to ignore medical advice that has been proven to work by scientific study in favor of trying alternative treatments that have not been shown to work. The long history of false information about cancer cure. Theories about how to cure cancer have been around for a long time. In fact, people have been using them for more than 100 years. Many stories have the same basic idea. Powerful beings are purposely delaying a solution so they can make more money. This idea has changed over time, but it is still present in many of them. Conspiracy theories like these have done a lot of harm in the past by making people doubt the healthcare system and seeking out treatments that have not been proven to work. The government of the United Kingdom made it illegal to market cancer treatments in 1939 because of the spread of these harmful ideas. This was done to protect weak people from being taken advantage of and told they were getting care when they weren't. Why there can't be one cure for all cancers. The science behind cancer. The word cancer refers to a group of about 200 different illnesses, each with its own symptoms and challenges that are different from those of the others. In contrast, bacterial infections can usually be handled with a single antibiotic. Cancer, on the other hand, grows from specific cells in the body. Healthy cells change into cancerous cells when they go through the process of mutation and start to grow out of control. Because of this, it is a lot harder to treat cancer without hurting the good cells in the body. Also, different types of cancer start in different types of cells in the body, like immunity cells, brain cells, or skin cells. Each type of cancer acts differently than the others. Because they are so different, it is very unlikely that a single treatment could totally get rid of all cancers. The variety of cancer treatments. Why no single cure exists. Cancer is often best treated by combining a number of different types of treatment, such as surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, and targeted drugs. When these medicines are being made, the type of cancer and the needs of each patient are taken into account. For example, chemotherapy works because it attacks cells that divide quickly. Although this helps get rid of cancer cells, it might also hurt good cells, which could have bad effects. On the other hand, immunotherapy uses the body's immune system to fight cancer. On the other hand, immunotherapy only works on some types of cancer. Because there are so many types of cancer and treatments for them, it is not reasonable to think that there is a single fix that works for all of them. How the scientific process is misunderstood in the media. Cancer conspiracy theories are also spread by the way scientific studies are often shown in the media. People usually only hear about big gains, which are often given without the necessary background. According to one example, if early clinical studies show that a new treatment might work, the media might call it a cure for cancer before the drug has been put through the thorough testing that is needed to prove its effectiveness. However, this oversimplification can mislead the public, fueling false hopes and conspiracy theories when these breakthroughs fail to deliver immediate results. There is a truth to the saying that finding new medicines for cancer is a long and difficult process that can last up to 15 years or even longer. Although many medicines have the ability to be helpful, they don't make it through clinical procedures because they have unwanted side effects or don't work in larger groups of patients. This complexity often gets lost in media headlines, which focus more on sensationalism than the rigorous process behind scientific advancements. The impossibility of keeping a cancer cure secret. Pharmaceutical companies probably wouldn't be able to hide the fact that there is a cancer treatment called chemotherapy. 2 out of every 3 people in the UK will be identified with cancer at some point in their lives, and cancer rates continue to rise globally, making it one of the most prevalent illnesses worldwide. With so many people actively involved in cancer research and treatment across different countries, it is nearly impossible to conceal a significant breakthrough, such as a cure. Many researchers working on cancer studies also have personal ties to the disease, either through their own experiences or those of their loved ones. The idea that someone could discover a cure and then choose not to use it to save their own family or friends is difficult to fathom. Cancer experts are dedicated to making treatments better and saving lives, and their commitment directly counters the notion that they are hiding a cure for the disease. The collaborative nature of scientific research further ensures that any substantial advancements would be widely shared across the medical community. Why pharmaceutical companies would benefit from a cancer cure? One of the main reasons people who believe in a secret cancer cure give is that drug companies make too much money from treating cancer to ever share a fix. On the other hand, this reasoning doesn't hold up when looked at deeply. If it were possible to cure cancer, it would be very good for any drug company that worked with it. A company that finds a cure would be able to charge a high price for it and have a strong place in the market, similar to companies that have made groundbreaking treatments for other illnesses. Also, getting rid of cancer doesn't mean that treatment is over. People who have survived cancer are expected to continue needing medical care, so they are seen as long-term customers. Because of this, drug companies would rather find a cure than hide the fact that there is one. The real harm of cancer conspiracy theories and the path forward. Conspiracy ideas can be harmful, even if they seem harmless to some people. People often look into alternative treatments that aren't backed by science because of these false beliefs, wasting important time and resources, and sometimes even hurting or killing themselves. People also lose faith in researchers and healthcare workers because of these theories. This makes it harder for people to trust advice that is seen as reliable in the medical field. Instead of falling for these lies, it is very important to support the cancer study that is already being done. There are good signs for the future because new treatments and discoveries are being made every day. It is clear that progress is being made. If we give money and support to this study, we can keep making things better for cancer patients and get closer to finding better ways to treat all kinds of cancer. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos that dig into the facts. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're eager to hear what you think.